YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed today. I'm going to give you guys a little update on Toshi Coin. But before we get into that, guys, just got to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. Got to go out and speak to a financial advisor. But as you guys could see, we are over here on CoinMarketCap. We're going to talk about the market today, and then we're going to talk about some Toshi because we've been pretty much talking about the market, pretty much calling it pretty well. So as you guys could see, total market cap today coming in at $3.2 trillion, up about 1%. Fear Greed Index coming in at about a 40. Bitcoin struggling, guys. I told you guys we are not out of the woods. In my last video, if you guys go and listen, tell you very clearly we are not out of the woods. We need to start breaking up, and we see usually legitimate price action happen on Thursday. Little concerned right now. I don't know what's going to happen. Again, we're creating higher lows still on Bitcoin, but again, look at this rising wedge. Breaking down, right? Breaking off this wedge. I told you guys we need to break above this 98 range. The fact that we just rejected off this 98 range has just sent a lot of fear through the market. And look, we're creating again another bear flag. So are we going to start breaking back down into this 96 range again? If we start doing that, guys, it's not good. We do not want to see another retest of this and another rejection. At the same time, it could be a fake, right? Bitcoin looking very volatile as always, man. Right? But look, this type of price action right here is just overall not the best. I don't like when I see a lot of chop like this. It just lets me know that it's pretty manipulated. And sometimes when you see the price really start going like this, is usually because it is starting to create a wedge. It is starting to create a rising wedge. So the fact that it rejected off of that 98 range sent a lot of fear again into the market. And as you guys can see, the market has responded accordingly, according to that little Bitcoin rejection off that 98, right? We jumped up to 98 and we saw the market start to run, and then we watched it just see a pretty decent size correction. So again, are we going to see this thing correct down more? It actually looks like right now this thing, oh, it can go either way, right? Because look, we created this bull flag in the past, and we were talking about how fast this recovery was going to be, right? We've created this bull flag in the past. This pull flag jumps up, pull flag. Look how much of a retrace we had to have here from the top, though, right? Same thing right here from top right here, right? Maybe do we consolidate like this? We can just keep doing like we did last time, just like right here, right? I was saying the whole time, I'm like, we're breaking down, but we're creating, this flag, because if you look more on these long-term intervals, especially on Bitcoin, I mean, you can see it really better on Bitcoin. But look, Bitcoin, yikes, man. I mean, just not good right now, to be honest with you guys. And that's why we're seeing a lot of sell-off. But you could see it right here on Bitcoin, right? You could see how this flag pattern plays out and how we drop down here. Are we going to see something similar happen on Bitcoin? Like Bitcoin needs to consolidate down still some more. Maybe drag us out a little while, maybe till like April, possibly. Or are we going to start seeing Bitcoin again start picking up in some steam? Right now, the market is again looking volatile. Let's look at Toshi right now. Toshi coming in only down really 2% today, but coming in at 262 million. And I told you guys just in yesterday's video, just kind of what was going on with the price and the fact that we just kept rejecting off of this bottom Keltner channel. Now, guys, I talk about, and again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the homie, but I've been doing this for a while now. But I do talk about the fact that when we start turning below this bottom Keltner channel, guys, and it really started here, right? We really started turning below the bottom Keltner channel here, is what I like to call a slippery slope. I talk about this, guys. It's a slippery slope when we start sometimes turning below this line. Just like I look for good opportunities to buy in markets, guys, I trade binary options too. I've been trading for a long time, so there's certain things in the market, guys, that look like sell opportunities. And when you have people that are trading on exchanges like Kraken and stuff like that, sometimes these guys are looking for opportunities to actually be short on the market. So, you know, this right here was a short opportunity for me because right here you guys could see shoulder, head, shoulder, and this thing touched this Keltner channel here, and it started dropping down, right? Created this bear flag, came up here, rejected off of this second level right here, and broke down below this. This was bad. This was bad. This was already letting me know that this trend is really starting to break down. And then look, we rejected here off this second level. Again, didn't even come close to retesting it. Now we're heading into an oversold zone here. We touch back again. Slippery slope, right? Drops down. Bear flag drops down. Heavy oversold here, right? Retests. Tests a couple times. Lacking volume, right? Touching here. You know, you could just kind of see what's been happening. I've been telling you guys how important it is that we start breaking up and breaking out. But I was telling you guys too, that's going to be very difficult for Bitcoin to do if Bitcoin does not decide it wants to increase in volume. And look, if you look on the 1 hour chart too, look, we got a shoulder, head, shoulder playing here. And you could see we oversold here, right? Jump up, touch this, like I said. We reject here, we've rejected here. And now look, we have a possible bear flag forming right now. In my opinion, Toshi needs to see Bitcoin start picking up. But in my opinion, also, Toshi Coin's not getting hit that bad. It's really not getting hit that bad, guys. There's a lot of other coins in the market right now that are far bigger market cap that are getting absolutely wrecked. Toshi Coin's only down like 2% today. I'm still looking at for this coin at cheaper prices too. I'm looking to buy it, guys. I'm looking to accumulate Toshi Coin. I'm telling you right now. A lot of people telling me, "Oh, this project's probably dead." Da 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 da. That's crazy. That's crazy to think that actually that cryptocurrency is dead and that you think that Toshi would be dead. I don't think Toshi's dead at all. It's very alive and well. People are trading this all day long. People are buying. People are selling. I don't think it's dead at all. As a matter of fact, it looks like a lot of these orders are green and a lot of them are red. So again, it looks like it's alive and well. It looks like Toshi Coin's just responding with the market, just the way a lot of these coins are. Again, the market you could see on you could see on this picture a lot better, right? The total market cap, how when Bitcoin just took that dip, the entire market just took a massive dip, which shot up to 98, which I told you that 98 thing is going to be a psychological barrier. If we can break above that, that's going to be great. But if we keep breaking down below 98, it's going to be concerning, guys. I'm concerned right now, even though Bitcoin is still at 97, we can still, again, see some rally. It's not good that we just created this rising wedge. I'm telling you right now, it's not good that we created this rising wedge and we just saw a rejection off of 98. And that right now is why we're seeing some sell off in the market. Again, when I look at for things like this and I see this rejection right here, honestly, if I saw this play out right here, I would be thinking that, again, this is a bear flag. This is a indicator for an opportunity for a possible short. You guys can see on the 7-day, it looks like our trend is breaking down here. But we thought that we did something similar here too, right? We thought maybe we had a wedge here. It dropped down a little. It did drop down. It had a retest, and then it shot right back up. Again, created this other wedge here. We really got to get above 98, guys. Right now, again, it's not looking like Bitcoin is having the volume that it needs. I mean, maybe it's a little premature looking on the 1 month to be saying that, but again, it's looking like this thing is lacking in volume right now. As a matter of fact, let's pull up the RSI and just see what the volume is looking like, right? Even though I could kind of just see what the volume is looking like, I want to actually see what the volume looks like. And we'll just pull up these Keltner channels just so that we have them up, right? So you guys can see we're coming up on some key resistance here on this 1 day. But are we going to break above it or are we going to break below it? This is actually a really key moment right here on the Bitcoin 1 day, right here, right now, actually, which is crazy. But I told you guys, price action happens on Thursday. That's what I said big price action happens on Thursday. So the fact that we're testing this line right here and it's Thursday is big. We seen it test here though, and we seen it reject, right? That wasn't good. And then we seen it right here. We thought we had something going. We had nothing going. We dropped down. We had some lows, right? We went down all the way down to 94, and then we shot all the way back up. Here we are today at 97, just at 94, just the other day, right? Just the other day, 18th, we hit 94. Today's the 20th. Here we are. It's in that 97. But again, not looking so hot. Looking like we might break down below this. I don't know. Anything can happen, guys. But I'm still looking for opportunities to accumulate. You can see this 1 minute chart also. This shoulder, head, shoulder. This is not the business. This is not the business right here. It's looking like we're just looking not so hot, right? Even on this RSI is not looking good. It's looking like Bitcoin's lacking, and that's why you're seeing this sell action. You can see market thinking just like Crypto J's thinking. This is looking not hot right now. You can see we're retesting this bottom level on this 1 minute chart. Broke right through it, ripped right through it. You see that? Interesting, interesting. I want to know what you guys think, though. A lot of Bitcoin volatility, a lot of Toshi volatility. If you guys want me to go live also and talk about Toshi, do this price analysis, let me know in the comment section. Just be like, go live, and we'll do a live. Again, I'm definitely telling you guys right now that you probably want to just be a little bit patient and just understand that this Toshi correction doesn't mean that Toshi is done. It doesn't mean it's dead. It doesn't mean that I'm not buying it. It doesn't mean any of those things. If anything, I feel better about this project, guys. The cheaper this project gets, the more money I feel like can be made on this project. Because again, I look for these things at a cheaper price. I've been telling you guys that the whole time. I'm looking for this. I'm looking for things at a cheaper price. I like cheap prices. So again, if Bitcoin does decide it wants to correct down, which it's not looking so hot right now in terms of volume. I mean, maybe we could find some kind of double bottom here if we want to rally back. It's just volatile today, man. But again, this right here, this rejection of this 98, this pull off top, it's going to be hard to make it back from this right here. And I feel like the market is feeling that too. And so, again, a lot of these people longing, shorting. Some people got their hands stuck in the cookie jar here. Some people got greedy right here. And some people saw this as a perfect short opportunity. Again, they saw that wedge forming, that rising wedge. Now Bitcoin's starting to break down a little bit. But what's going to happen, guys? Are we going to see some breakdown? We do talk about also, we sometimes see some sell off into the weekend. Some people talking about they're getting their tax checks and stuff like that. They're looking at dollar cost average into Toshi. I don't think that's a crazy idea at all. Some of y'all haven't done your taxes in FAF. How about do your taxes? No, I'm just kidding. But for real, guys, for real, I do think that once people start doing their taxes and getting their taxes and stuff done, then market starts bottoming out a little bit. I think we're gonna start seeing some price action. I don't think that the bull market is dead. I think the bull market is very much intact. As a matter of fact, we've talked about that on the channel plenty of times. I think the bull market is definitely intact. We did talk about the fact also that sometimes corrections are necessary, right? You can see Bitcoin maybe possibly going to have a retest of that 96 range. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Again, the future's unknown. I'm not a fortune teller. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just the homie Crypto J. I've just been doing this now for a really long time, and on YouTube also for a really long time. So again, guys, I'm trying to hit 100K. That's the goal. That's my mission, guys. It's a simple mission. Hit 100K on YouTube. I'm trying to go to Colombia. It's going to be amazing, guys. I'm trying to actually move all my stuff down there, including sell my car, sell everything, guys. I'm trying to sell everything and move down there and live life, guys. I just want to live life. I'm actually going to be traveling all South America. We've done some traveling already in Dubai, and I wanted to do a lot more of the Middle East while I was down there, and I regret not doing that when I was doing that. But at the same time, it was kind of like crazy time in the world, and right now it's a crazy time in the world too. I don't know how safe visiting the Middle East is, but at the same time, I would love to do it. Might still do it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, guys. You might find me back in the Middle East again. I might be in Asia. I might be anywhere, bro. I might just pop up anywhere, guys. So that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to doing some traveling. Looking forward to relocating too. Just getting up out of here, man. LA has not been the same since the fires. I'll tell you guys. Those fires really took everything from my city, guys. All the things that I grew up loving, doing, and enjoying are now just, I mean, it's just gone. And the price of living here, it just doesn't make any sense anymore. So again, I'm looking elsewhere. I'm looking for adventure. I'm looking to expand the channel, and I feel like, doing that would be a good idea. Plus, I'm in my 30s, man. How long do I have to do these types of things, bro? How long can I really enjoy them? Like once you get older, I feel like your travel experience is different when you're older than when you're younger. The things that you want to do, the things that you can do, the things you have energy to do. Even now, guys, I can't hang. I'm starting to become one of these 30-year-olds that can't hang, bro. So I like have a couple and then I'm just knocked out. I'm sleeping on the couch, guys. Are you turning into this guy? Let me know in the comment section below. But anyway, guys, again, Toshi Coin might be a little bit volatile today. We're gonna cover it regardless. But again, I'm long on this project. I'm long on this space, and again, I'm accumulating on all these dips. So yeah, we'll keep watching it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.